This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 32 of Building Eleanor. In this issue, we're not doing very much. We're just fitting this wheel arch to our chassis from last time. A bit like that. There's 3 screws to hold that in place. So let's get that done, and then we'll have a look through this month's magazine, because we like to have a look through. We can see the thing about the cars with ladies' names, or women's names. I can't remember how they term it now. But we'll find out soon as we get to that section. But there's just 3 positions that this locks in place. On there, down there. Should be nice and easy, so it's making a right pig's ear out of it. There we go, it's a little bit springy to get in place. So I shall put 1 screw in the middle bit, like that. That will stop it going anywhere else. Another one down there, or even down there. I think that's lined up at all. I think I might have it slightly twisted. Or more than slightly twisted. Where's that bit? Yeah, that's not lining up there at all. Let's try that again. See, the easy bits are always the bit that stump me. You think that'll be really easy, no trouble at all, and all of a sudden it just isn't going where it should. A lot further back than I thought. It goes there, then that should go there, and that one goes there. There we go. Get it the right side of everything, and it goes together much better without being too springy. So there we go, that's that, and the final one. Over that side. Yep, so I shall get those all tightened up, but that's how that's going to look. So let's tighten those up, clear it out of the way, and show you the magazine. So in this issue 9 of the Eleanor 60 Seconds magazine, we have obviously the details about what's inside. We've got the instructions that I've already done, the other instructions that I've already done, some instructions that I haven't done yet, with the other part of the suspension down there. Should be doing soon. You'll be able to see that in a couple of days. And then finally we're starting the final wheel assembly for that. So yes, looking at Eleanor's screen debut, first time she was seen in the film. Problematic brother, yes, this was about I remember his name now, Rain. The main guy was Rain, Arizona Rain or something, I can't remember now, but Phoenix, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that's his brother who caused all the troubles to begin with. And the 60-second files, as normal. So the, what does it claim? The cars with women's names, yes. Gabriella, it's quite a nice classic car. Kate, slightly more modern car. Yeah, either of those would be suitable to drive around in. That the 1968 High Country Special. Oh, that's like the traditional, almost like a cop car type thing from the 70s, really. But yeah, there we go. That's that. And next time, yes, as expected, we're continuing another wheel, then a wheel arch, and then something else that's maybe going onto the front of the chassis that we're building, making it a little bit longer. We'll find out about that next month, but we've got a couple more to build before then. So I shall see you for the more building very soon. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.